Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. As he loved taking care of the garden, moreover, he is the only person who has set up an interior. My father is a nature lover, therefore, he takes out time from his busy schedule and takes care of the garden. He always tries new things in the garden. For instance, last week he brought some new varieties of flowers. Some of them were climbers, bulbs, and perennials. On the other hand, gardening is the best and good hobby, and then you adopt it. As a result of my garden is now full of flowers and is the brightest of all part of from my father. There is another person whom my father has appointed to take care of the garden because he has not to stay away from the house. So the gardener comes at that time. Furthermore, the work grooming and cutting the plants is the duty of the gardener. Every day in the morning, I can hear the chirping of my birds. Birds like sparrow, pigeon, and Indian manna come to walk us up in the morning. Moreover, the peacock also comes occasionally in the garden. At that time, the whole family gather together to have a look for the beautiful detail. And in conclusion, the time spent in my garden in the most beautiful garden is the interior day. On the other hand, gardening is a good and bestest part of our house because this ensure that they do not get hurt every even if they fall down while playing. Further, my garden has a swing tool which is more favorite because I can spend hours swinging on it and do not get bored. Sometimes I spend my interior day in the garden completing all my tasks there, but this is only possible whenever I have a holiday and the garden has a grass all over the area. As a result, this make is the best place for my any exercise. Furthermore, it has a soft ground where children can play different sports, and my garden has different vegetables grown in them. For example, vegetables like tomato, carrot, sweet potato, cauliflower, bell pepper, etc. Thanks for watching.